Welcome back to the channel, where we bring you the hottest rides, newest releases, and everything that makes car lovers' hearts race faster than a redline rev. If you're passionate about power, design, and raw performance, make sure to hit that subscribe button because today, we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated returns in American muscle history, the 2026 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. Yes, you heard that right, the legendary Z28 badge is back, and it's meaner, faster, and sharper than ever. Chevrolet has pulled out all the stops for 2026, giving this Camaro a complete redesign that combines modern aggression with old-school muscle attitude. The Z28 has always been the track-focused, performance-oriented beast of the Camaro lineup, and this year, Chevy has redefined what it means to be a true American sports car. Let's start with the heart of the beast. Under the hood sits a hand-built 6.6-liter naturally aspirated V8, inspired by Corvette racing technology. This engine roars with over 670 horsepower and 600 pound-feet of torque, paired with either a 6-speed manual transmission or an advanced 10-speed automatic with lightning-fast shifts. The sound, pure muscle symphony. The Z28 doesn't just start, it erupts with energy. Every rev is a reminder that this isn't just another car. It's an icon reborn. On the outside, the 2026 Camaro Z28 looks absolutely menacing. The aggressive front fascia, functional hood vents, and a wide, low stance scream performance from every angle. Chevrolet has used lightweight carbon fiber on the hood, roof, and trunk to shave off extra pounds, while a massive rear wing keeps it planted at high speeds. The aerodynamic improvements aren't just for show, they're designed for real track performance, helping the Z28 slice through air with precision and stability. Moving to the interior, Chevrolet has balanced comfort and sportiness beautifully. The cabin wraps you in Alcantara and leather, with deep bucket seats that hug you tight during cornering. A digital cockpit with a 12.3-inch driver display and a head-up unit keeps your focus on the road ahead. Chevrolet's latest infotainment system with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an optional Bose sound system ensures you get both performance and luxury in one package. But make no mistake, this car's main purpose is not comfort. It's domination. Now, when we talk performance, numbers speak louder than words. The 2026 Camaro Z28 rockets from 0 to 60 in just 3.3 seconds, with a top speed rumored to exceed 200 miles per hour. The handling is razor-sharp thanks to GM's Magnetic Ride Control 5.0 and an advanced performance traction management system. Brembo carbon ceramic brakes give it the stopping power worthy of a track monster. Chevy engineers have fine-tuned every detail, from chassis stiffness to weight distribution, to make sure the Z28 feels balanced, powerful, and alive under your hands. It's not just a car you drive, it's a machine you command. And the best part, Chevrolet has promised that the Z28 will still carry that classic muscle spirit, rear-wheel drive, naturally aspirated power, and that unmistakable American growl. In a world where most sports cars are going hybrid or electric, this is pure rebellion on wheels. So, what's the price for all this adrenaline? Expected starting price is around $85,000, placing it right in line with competitors like the Chevy GT500 and the Dodge Challenger SRT. But make no mistake, the Camaro Z28 isn't here to compete. It's here to conquer. The 2026 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 is a bold statement that American muscle isn't going anywhere. It's back, louder, prouder, and faster than ever. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the new Camaro Z28, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting reviews and car news. Until next time, keep your engines roaring and your passion alive.